This is exactly what not to do during roadside sobriety tests.
9, 1. Sorry. Thanks for the audience. I'm gonna forfeit this.
Hello. Name's Officer Lee. I'm the Mount Prospect Police Department. Pulled you over today for speeding. Do you know how fast you're going?
I hope in the legal limit.
No, far from it. Do you know what the posted speed limit on Route 83 over here is? Okay, how fast do you think you're going?
I thought I was going like 35.
You're going 55 in a 35. 20 miles over the posted speed limit. Any reason it took you so long to stop, even though I honked at you several times? Okay, so you didn't see me? So I was following you for quite a bit of ways through here through the parking lot, and you weren't stopping. Do you have your driver's license on you? I'm going to come over and get that from you. Okay, can I see your license, please?
Yeah, of course. I didn't see you at all.
Okay, where are you coming from tonight?
My house.
Your house?
I have my boyfriend living here.
Your boyfriend lives here, okay.
Do you want to?
My driver's license?
Yes, please.
Behind that vehicle, it's
Okay, it's not the other one in there? That's not it right there?
No.
10-4.
That's not your driver's license?
Oh, I'm so sorry. No, it is. It is completely legal. I'm so sorry.
It's completely what?
It's good. It's good.
Okay. All right, how much you had to drink tonight?
I didn't.
You had anything to drink?
I had
Okay, what kind of drink?
just like a little more,
Golden, Colorado.
A cocktail or a beer or
yeah, a little cocktail. Yeah,
a cocktail like what? Like vodka or rum?
just a little mixed drink.
A little mixed drink?
My
About
boyfriend does the pure.
Okay, about what time did you have that mixed drink?
Like 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Was it a big glass, small glass?
A medium-sized glass.
Medium-sized
Yeah.
glass? Did you finish the whole thing?
I did.
How long did it take you to drink?
Maybe like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay, so about 2 hours ago, and then you finished drinking maybe half an hour ago? Would you say that was safe?
20.
Okay, very good. The only reason I ask is you're kind of slurring your speech a little bit. I can smell the odor of an alcoholic-based beverage.
No,
So,
but it's not that serious.
okay, do you take any medication or anything like that?
I mean, no, not at all.
What do you mean?
No, it's just funny because, like, honestly, like,
Okay. Do you?
sorry.
Okay, you're not diabetic, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm healthy and well. I'm
All
sorry.
right, very good. Do you have proof of insurance for the car?
Okay.
Do you have proof of insurance for the car?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you get working on that? I'll be right back with you, okay? So stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have the insurance?
2017 by Addison for
I don't
driving
have
under
it
suspended.
with me, but I do have insurance.
Okay, very good. We'll worry about that in a little bit. Do you mind stepping out? I gotta talk to you out here for just a moment. Is the car in park?
Yeah.
All right, very good. I don't want this to roll off on you. If you step out, I gotta talk to you back here. What's up?
You can't talk to me right here?
No, I gotta talk to you back over here. We'll go talk over on the side over here. Over here. Melissa, over here. So you said you just had the one drink?
Yeah.
The mixed drink about 2 hours ago? Okay. Because of some of your behavior and some of your driving, I want to run you through a few tests, make sure you're okay. Do you wear any contacts or glasses or anything like that?
I do have contacts, but I didn't wear them today.
Okay. Do you have any other eye problems, abnormalities, stuff like that?
No.
You're good? How's like your general health? You're not sick or anything, are you?
No.
No? Okay. How's like your hips, ankles, knees, all that? That all good?
I had to just go to the bathroom, but other than that, I'm great.
I'll try to make this fast for you, okay? All right, do me a favor. Stand with your feet together just like this.
No,
And your-
it is. Okay.
And your hands at your side like this.
Yeah, first.
What I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger.
You guys, don't look at me.
These are my bodyguards.
Of course, of course.
So I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? So don't move your head, just your eyes, okay? All right, you see my finger?
Our driver here is telling me this is some kind of permanent plate out of Montana.
Only because the bright light is on my
Okay.
eye, but
Is that better?
yeah, it's gonna see that. I can see it.
Okay, keep following it.
The only reason I'm smiling is because I watch so many cop cars. I'm sorry. Like, you know, like the cop
Okay.
shows. Okay, sorry.
Keep on. It's okay. Keep
I mean,
focus.
I know I'm no. That's,
You're good. You're good.
I promise you, like.
Okay,
this
keep
is
your hands
just
at your
my
side.
personality, okay.
There you go. Trust me, we've dealt with far worse. So try not to move your head, okay? Stare,
yeah,
stare
right,
straight
right.
ahead and just follow the tip of my finger, okay? You see it? Can you look at it?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Okay. You said it was just the one drink? Are you sure? Okay. Very good. Why don't you stand right here for me and face the cars? What I want you to do is imagine from your left foot all the way that way is a straight line, and I want you to stand with your right foot in front of your left like this.
Yeah.
Keep your hands at your side. You going to be good to do it with those shoes on? You can take them off if you like.
I don't think it's...
Okay, I'm just trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. So stand with your...
Wait, what if I have to go to pee? Like, okay.
I'm trying to make this as fast as possible.
Yeah, of course.
So imagine from your left foot all the way there, a straight line. Once you put your right foot in front of your left, hands at your side like this, and stay there. I'm gonna explain the test. So get back in that position for me. I'm gonna explain the test for you. I'm gonna demonstrate the test, and then you go. You get back in that position for me. Right foot in front of left, heel to toe, just like this.
Just hypothetically, off the record, this reminds me of Reno 911.
Reno 911. Okay.
Step, bump, step, bump, bump, step, bump, step, bump, bump.
I might do it. Okay, then I'll get it.
Okay, I remember that one too. At least I'm not wearing the short shorts, right?
No, exactly.
All right, very good. You stand like this for me?
Yeah.
All right, so it's going to be 9 heel-to-toe steps this way. Turn.
How many steps?
9. And then turn 9 back. I want you to count out loud. It's going to go just like this. I'm going to demonstrate the whole test for you. You're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remember, 9 heel-to-toe steps. Count out loud. Look down at your feet, okay? Whenever you're ready. Keep your hands at your side, too.
Of course.
So whenever you're ready, go ahead.
I already called my boyfriend. He's watching from behind the scenes.
Okay.
This is so annoying. Okay.
You ready? Go.
No pressure. 9 and back.
Okay.
Watch this. 1.
Central from 7100. When you get a chance, I have another
5,
event for you.
6, 7, 8, 9. Go blame my flat feet. 5. Back. 9. 1. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, very good. You have your phone on you?
Yep.
That's a win.
I got another one for you here.
Oh, God. How many more tests?
I'm trying to make this as quick as you can. I'm being as quick as I can. I'm not being mean. No, come on. Okay, come on. So this next one, you're going to pick either foot you want. I want your hands down at your side like this. I'm going to use my right foot. You can use any foot you want. Doesn't matter to me. Hold it approximately 6 inches above the ground, parallel, and count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going till I say stop. So don't start until I tell you to, okay? You ready? You understand?
Wait, hold on. Hold it up so you say so.
Yeah.
Oh my
Don't start until I say so, and count out loud till I tell you to stop, okay? Remember, hands at your side, too.
How far my hand's gonna have to be?
Keep your hands at your side.
Oh, right here.
Okay. When I say go, go. Go. Count out loud.
1.
And look at your foot.
100,000. Where's the 100?
Just count out loud and look at your foot.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't know what the count is.
Keep going. It's fine.
Spin that you gave me, I ran it out and the only...
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys.
Thank you.
Like, I tried my
Thank you.
best.
And it come back.
So this next one, I'm just going to ask you. What you do is you blow into it, and if you keep blowing out, one big solid breath takes about 6 to 10 seconds.
This is where I have no offense because I need a job, but I cannot blow into that.
Why is that?
Honestly, I've been like very educated with the whole, like, I don't know. I have nothing. Okay,
Well,
you're right.
This is to see where you're at, because I think you've been drinking. So this is to see where you're
I
at.
already admitted to that.
Oh, yeah,
I admitted to
which I appreciate. If you don't do this, then I have to base my judgment, what's going to happen from here on, based on everything else I've seen here. If you said you've only had one drink, this should go really well.
Yes or no?
You didn't do very well.
You guys didn't think I did well?
No.
You didn't see this? Oh, then I'm definitely gonna. Thanks for the audience. I'm gonna forfeit this. Can I go to the restroom really quick?
Okay. So you're sure? Because I want to see where you're at.
I honestly, based on if I feel the test and then no, I don't want to blow. Like I'm.
Because I'm trying to give you the opportunity to prove to me that you're okay to drive and you're under the legal limit. So I want to provide you with every opportunity to prove that.
I think I did that with my dancing.
You did that with your dancing?
With my thing, right?
Okay. Well.
Right, and I put the no. So
No.
I'm just gonna opt the test.
You're gonna opt not to. Okay. So, Melissa, based on everything I've seen here, I think you've been drinking. I think you're over the legal limit. I think you're intoxicated. So right now you're under arrest for DUI. I need to put your hands behind your back, okay?
Wait, one second.
No, wait.
One second. I want to admit 1 second. Okay, I'll blow the test.
You'll do it?
Maybe, but can I put the bathroom first?
Not right here. I can't. That's illegal.
It's gonna be like if I go out there, it's gonna. Don't, like, he's
I can't let you do that right now. I can't let you, can't have you do that.
So bad already.
I'm trying to make this quick.
That's the only reason I rushed here.
The quicker you do this, the quicker we'll get on. So blow real hard like you're blowing up a big balloon, okay?
Can I get like confidential advice from a friend?
Not right now. If you're gonna blow, now's the time.
Oh,
okay.
No.
It's a yes or no, Melissa. I need you to relax.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I am.
Blow real hard. This is your last shot.
Okay, you're right. I don't think I'm not drunk.
Blow real hard. Blow hard. Don't blow in. Blow out. Real hard. Go. Hard. Blow. You gotta blow longer and harder, okay? I'm gonna give you another shot, okay?
But can I go to the bathroom first?
Not right now.
Then where am I gonna go?
Blow out real hard, real long, okay? Like you're blowing up a big giant balloon.
What? Okay.
All right. Go.
The goddamn thing. I'm not gonna blow into this thing.
Okay. You're under arrest for DUI. I need you to put your hands behind your back, okay? Melissa, calm down.
I have to pee. You guys are peeing.
I'm gonna let you pee back at the station, okay?
Wait. Can I at least?
What do you want out of your car?
Like, she just come
Phone, your
back.
purse? I'm gonna let you get a phone call as soon as you get back to the station after you go to the bathroom, okay?
If I get it, like, no.
We're gonna get everything you need, okay? We gotta go to the car now, Melissa. Go with my partners. I'm gonna get it.
You know what? I don't authorize anyone to go into my car.
I have to get your stuff out of your car.
No, you don't.
It's okay.
Close the goddamn door.
You want your phone?
No, I don't authorize it. Stop.
Okay. I'm getting everything you need.
Stop.
Melissa, if you don't comply, you're gonna get other charges. You're gonna get other charges. Don't do that to yourself.
Can I please call my friend? Like, he's
when you get back to the station, I promise.
No, he can just take my car and he can
When you
park
get back to the station, I promise. Melissa, you're getting very close to getting an obstruction charge, which is gonna be worse.
You guys,
go.
Listen to me.
No, we're done talking.
No.
Go.
Listen to
Melissa, go.
Yeah. You guys can just let him park. Yeah, you can.
Stop. You're getting in the car right now.
Park. You let him park my car.
Melissa.
Right. Stop.
Yep.
You guys are so rude. No, hold on. Like,
Melissa, you're about to get another charge.
no, for real. Like, you guys gonna tow my car? Like, that's rude.
Get in the car.
Fucking up like this.
Get in the car, Melissa. Put your legs in the car. Get your foot back in the car. Melissa.
No, I'm just serious. I'm not trying to be funny. Like, it's not.
Foot in the door.
No, like,
Okay,
please.
Melissa, enough.
No,
Put your
but
foot in
please.
the car.
My boyfriend lives here.
I would go with it.
You're getting charged with resisting right now.
No, I'm not trying to do that. Like,
Well, you are.
I'm trying to comply,
Take
but
your foot in the door
I
now.
just don't want my car to get towed.
Okay,
Like,
foot in the door.
can you please, can you just park my car? Listen. Hey, listen to me. Damn, dude, like, what's wrong with you? Please, like, I don't want to get my car towed. Like, he has my keys right here. Alright, fine. Just so you know, I know my rights. Open the goddamn door. Open it. Hello, can you just, like, don't be rude. We're on the same team. Literally.
Where are the keys to your car?
Open the door and I'll tell you. Open it. Open the goddamn door. This is illegal. This is fucking fucked up. For the record, that is already recorded at the fact that you didn't leave my car at a place that it was already established I can leave it. So I can just, pick it up from your toe. And just so you know, I appreciate you for being part of my evidence.
Glad I can help.
Yeah, of course. I'm glad you can help.
Big silver door, okay?
Melissa was charged with DUI, resisting, possession of uncontained cannabis in a motor vehicle, illegal transportation or possession of alcohol in a motor vehicle, and speeding. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.